For this activity, we're taking a look at the nets of prisms and pyramids, and here they're calling them patterns. So that, remember in class, we also talked about really early grades, we'll call them jackets, where you're trying to cover a surface with a jacket that just meets and doesn't button and can be taped shut. So different words, same meaning. We have lots of examples for this first one from class. The next one is the one that's interesting, right? So you have a pyramid-shaped object, and you're trying to make a pattern of that and make a pyramid of some sort. And you can make different types of bases. Here, this one is a square base, and then it's got this wraparound. We've been calling them belts. The wraparound, where this is the apex vertex, and each of these, this attaches to this side, this attaches to this side or edge, and this one attaches here, and then all these points come together at the top. I put little tabbies on it to make it easier to tape it together when I made mine. Now, we did an example exactly like number 3 in class. We didn't find the surface area, but we did have to find the height, actually, the net. So we cut out a pyramid, had a base of 6 by 6 centimeters, a square, and the apex is 4 above. So remember, that's above the center of the base. So the base is square, and you take that center point, go 4 centimeters up. How big is that triangular face going to be? This is just one of the patterns. This is another pattern from school that we actually in class made many, many variations of. But again, just noting that this is where the 4 centimeters in height, and imagine it coming straight up out of the paper, and then these corners coming up to meet it. What does that look like? And you're going to have a triangle where the triangle is here, this point is this point here. This length here is 3, that's this length. The height is 4, and then what we're looking at here is what's coming along each one of these triangular faces. And that's this guy here. Well, this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle, so we know it has to be 5 high, and you bunny hop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get to that. And you can do any multiple of that for another triangle to use that same triple. If this side here was 6 and you were 8, will that be 6, 8, 10 then, where each of them is twice what the other is. So you should practice making different nets as part of your studying for these sections. Hope you have a great day.